little learners, welcome to New Era Global School video lectures of Standard 3 Grammar. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and well. This is Dishita ma'am and today we will be learning Grammar chapter number 28 Vocabulary. Yes, little learners, take out chapter number 28 Vocabulary. But before we start our lesson, I would like to start today's class with Gayatri Mantra. Please close your eyes, join your hands, and let's begin with Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Swaha. Om Bhur Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Come on, rub your hands. Touch your face and relax. Now it's time to open our textbook, chapter number 28. So everyone is ready with the textbook, page number 110. Vocabulary. Little learners, what is the meaning of vocabulary? Yes, the word vocabulary means the body of word used in a particular language. And the learning outcome of this lesson is, by the end of this lesson, little learners, you will be able to identify homophones, define homophones, identify synonyms and antonyms, use them while writing sentences. Then you will also be able to define and use compound words by the end of this lesson. And you will also be able to identify and define anagrams. So, are you all ready? Let's get going. So, our first topic is homophones. How to pronounce it? Homophones. Yes, the word homophones means the words that sounds the same but their spellings and meanings are different. They are known as homophones. Homophones वो वर्ड होते हैं जिसके साउंड सेम होते हैं मगर मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग अलग होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल SUN सन एंड SON सन, दोनों को हम प्रोनाउंस तो सन ही करते हैं मगर दोनों की स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट है, एज वेल एज दोनों के मीनिंग भी डिफरेंट है. वैसे ही यहाँ पे भी कुछ मीनिंग वाले वर्ड्स दिए हैं. देखो, होमोफोन्स वाले वर्ड्स दिए हैं, डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स वाले वर्ड, एंड दे आर राइट, WRITE, राइट यानी लिखने वाला राइट, एंड राइट RIGHT, राइट, इट मीन्स करेक्ट. देन सी मीन्स देखना, एंड सी मीन्स समुद्र. Okay, now these words are called homophones. Homophones are words that sounds the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Homophones वो वर्ड होते हैं जिनके साउंड सेम होते हैं मगर स्पेलिंग्स और मीनिंग ये दोनों चीज़ें ही डिफरेंट होती हैं. Come on, let us try to do the exercise portion so that we can understand this concept more nicely. Take out your pencils and let's start. Question number 1. Look at this word pairs. Write yes if they are homophones and no if they are not. It means अगर ये words homophones है तो हमें yes लिखना है, और अगर ये वर्ड्स होमोफोन्स नहीं हैं तो हमें नो लिखना है. ऑलराइट, कम ऑन, Let's try to do it. The very first one is waste and waste. Yes, they sounds the same, but their spellings are different as well as their meanings are also different. So ये homophone है. Now, so write it down, yes, yes. Now come to the next question. Right and bright. दोनों के स्पेलिंग्स भी डिफरेंट है, मीनिंग भी डिफरेंट है और साउंड भी डिफरेंट है. एक है राइट और दूसरा है ब्राइट. सो ये होमोफोन्स नहीं है. सो राइट इट डाउन NO. And then see the next one. Meat and meat. Yes, they are homophones. Why? Because their sounds are similar and spelling and meaning are different. So write it down, yes, yes. Over here. Now come to the next one. Stare and star. When we are pronouncing stare, star, their sounds are different as well as their meanings are also different along with their spellings. So it is not a homophone. Write it down NO. Now come to the last one. Some and some. Yes, they are homophones. Why? Because their sounds are similar, spellings and meaning are different. Now come to question number 2. Given below are some homophones and their meanings. नीचे हमें homophones दिए हैं and उसके meanings भी दिए हैं. Place the meanings next to the correct word and one has been done for you. See, aloud. Aloud means to speak loudly. Aloud. Aloud means to give permission. So, here are the meanings and here are the homophones. We just only have to put the correct meaning in the correct place. Come on, let's try to do it. Page number 111. Question number first. Blue, BLEW, blue, and BLUE, blue. Yes, the second one, blue, is color. This is a color. So we will write a color over here and then we will write blue. एक blue का मतलब क्या होता है? To send out air from the mouth. So write it down. The first blue means to send out air from the mouth. And the second blue means a color. Now come to question number 2. That is dear and dear. Yes, they sounds the same but have different meaning. Very good. So what we are going to do here? Deer. Deer means an animal. The first deer means an animal. The second deer means someone close to us. So write it down. First deer means an animal and second deer means someone close to us. Now come to the third one. Tail. Tail means part of an animal's body. Whereas tail means, TALE means a story. Now question number 3. Underline the correct words to complete these sentences is your homework. The wind blew the leaves away. कौन सा वाला ब्लू आएगा? वेरी गुड, BLEW. I saw a deer in the jungle. जंगल में हम कौन सा डियर देखेंगे? Animal. Very good, DEER वाला. Then, have you heard the tale of the silly goat? Yes, here we are talking about story. So we will underline TALE, tail. Then we are not allowed to stay out after dark. Yes, here we are talking about permission. So we are going to underline allowed, ALLOWED, allowed. Very good, little learners. So question number 3 is your homework. Come to the next topic, that is synonyms and antonyms. Before we start synonym, let us talk about Cable, his mom, and their pet dog Bruno. Cable and his mother playing with their pet dog Bruno. Bruno is a friendly dog. However, Cable notes that Bruno is very cautious around strangers. His mother agrees with him and say that Bruno is wary of strangers. Cable is surprised to hear the word wary. Mother explained him that wary is synonym of cautious and daring is the antonym of cautious. Cable is curious to learn more. So his mother decided to tell him about synonyms and antonyms. Come on, it's time for us to learn synonyms and antonyms. So we are going to learn about synonyms and antonyms. Let us first talk about synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same or almost the same meaning. Synonyms का मतलब होता है ऐसे words जिनके meaning almost similar होते हैं. Similar meaning वाले words को synonyms बोला जाता है. Let us see the examples. Like sad is the synonyms of unhappy. Sad is the synonym of unhappy. Giggle is the synonym of laugh. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. We use synonym to avoid repetition of words, and it improves our vocabulary as well as it also helps to make our writing more interesting and clear to the reader. Alright, now let's turn the page and see what are the meaning of antonyms. What is the meaning of antonyms and what are antonyms? Now let us learn about antonyms. Antonyms are the words that have opposite meanings. और we can say the opposite meaning वाले words को हम antonyms बोलते हैं. For example, sad तो happy, laugh to cry. Sad is the antonym of happy and laugh is the antonym of cry. Thus, they are also known as opposite words. Now, write a synonym and an antonym from the words given in the table. Use the words given below. And two have been done for us. See, there is a table below and there is a box, help box, hints are there. What we have to do is, we have to search one synonym from the above hint and one antonym from the above hint of this word. Come on, let's try to do it. Write a synonyms and an antonyms for the words. And here are the antonyms and synonyms. Hard तो difficult and easy. Hard का synonym क्या होगा? Difficult. Synonym means एक जैसे मीनिंग वाले वर्ड्स, सिमिलर मीनिंग वाले वर्ड्स. एंड हार्ड का एंटोनिम क्या होगा, यानी अपोजिट मीनिंग क्या होगा? easy, EASY, easy. Then clean, clean का synonym neat and antonym dirty. Then true, तो true का synonym क्या होगा? Correct, we had taken from here to here, correct. And antonym would be false, FALSE, false. Then fast, fast का synonym क्या होगा? Quick. And fast का antonym क्या होगा? Slow. So these are the synonyms and antonyms of the given words. Now it's time to do the another topic, that is compound words. Now we will learn about compound words. So little learners, compound words, or we can say it as compound nouns, is a noun formed by combining two or more words. Yes, compound words को हम compound nouns भी बोल सकते हैं. और ये कैसे फॉर्म होते हैं? By combining two or more words together. So the writing portion, the forming of compound words are different. A compound word can be written in different ways. Like a compound noun may be written as one word, जैसे bird house, postcard, waterfall. Or a compound word may be written as separate words like fire station, United Kingdom. Or a compound noun may also be written with hyphens joining the words. Hyphens पता है ना आपको क्या होते हैं? ऐसे छोटा सा डैश होता है. Hyphen means ऐसे छोटा सा डैश, that is known as hyphen. Like great grandmother, 5-year-old, 21. These all are also compound words. So little learners, look at these words over here. Home plus work is a compound word. Sun plus flower is also a compound word. These words are called compound words. Compound words are words formed by joining two small words together. Now come to page number 113, 113. Just next page over here. And look little learners, there is one exercise of compound words. That is question number 5. Let us try to do it. Underline the compound words in the following group of words, and one has been done for us. See, football. Now let us try to do the second one. The second compound word is bedroom, kitchen or home. Bedroom, very good. So please underline bedroom. Now the next one. Morning, afternoon, evening. Afternoon, very good. Please underline afternoon. And then the next one is spider, honeybee, mosquito. Yes, honeybee, as it is a combination of honey and bee. Very good. Now come to page, same page. Be on the same page. Question number 6. Come to question number 6. From compound words, by using form compound words by using the words given below. The pictures will help you. See, butter. Yes, butterfly. F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Write it down. B-U-T-T-E-R, butter. And F-L-Y, fly. Butterfly. Then star. See the picture? It's starfish. So write it down. Star fish. And here write it down. S-T-A-R, star. F-I-S-H, fish. Starfish. And now news. Yes, it's a newspaper. So question number C, D and E is your homework. Question number 6, C, D and E is your homework. Cupcake. Cupcake. Then the last one is, look at the picture. It's a toothbrush. So you have to complete these 3 points by yourself. Okay, we had discussed it and this is your homework. Now come to words E and EA. What are the words E and EA? E and EA? They sounds the same. Say E. They are phonic sounds and they sounds the same. E. Both the words says A, like bee, tree, and green. Both the words says E. The letter E and E make the same sound. However, some words are written with the letter EE and some are written with the letter EA. Now, let's see. Fill in the blanks with EE and EA, that is E, to complete the spellings of the words. The first one is P. Look at the picture and see the word. The word is P. P-E-A, P. And the next word is dream. D-R-E-A-M, dream. Then teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. And the last is ship. S-H-E-E-P, ship. Now turn the page. Come to the next page. Page number 114. And let's look some more words with E. The first word is bean. See, B-E-A-N-S, beans. And then queen. Q-U-E-E-N, queen. And then wheel. It's a wheel. W-H-E-E-L, wheel. And then beach. B-E-A-C-H, beach. Now come to the next topic, that is anagrams. What are anagrams? So, I will tell you what is anagram. Beta, anagram ऐसे words है that are created by rearranging the letters of the original words to make a new word or a phrase. जैसे T, T-E-A, T का और दूसरा क्या बन सकता है? 8, A-T-E, 8. Yes, an anagram is play on words created by rearranging the letters of the original word to make a new word or phrase. Let's look here. Leg and gel. Leg and gel. L-E-G, leg को हम G-E-L, gel लिख सकते हैं अगर हम उसे उल्टा कर देंगे तो. अगर G पहले लिखेंगे, E बाद में और L बाद में, so it will become gel. Leg will become gel. The same way, palm will become lamp. Deer will become reed. So it's a play work of recreating or rearranging the letters of the original words to make a new word or a phrase. Now see here, in each pair the word have the same letters, however they are arranged in different ways to form different words. They are called anagrams. Now find the anagrams of each words from the ones given below. अब हमें anagram find करने हैं. Come on, let us try to do it. BREAD, bread का क्या हो सकता है? breed, BEARD, breed. Then keep, तो peak, owl, low. Danger, garden. Bake, beak, bake. Lemon, melon. Late, तो tail. Study का anagram क्या बन सकता है? Dusty. So this is how we had done question number 8. Now rearrange the letters to form anagrams and use the meaning as a clue. See, in ninth question, they had given us few words, and here are the meanings and clues. What we have to do is SHORE, shore, an animal that runs very fast. Who is that animal? Horse, HORSE, horse. Then here we do this with our ear. हम ear से क्या करते हैं? सुनते हैं. To remain quiet, यानी silent. The planet in which we live? Earth. It's the anagram of heart. And then the opposite of above. It's an anagram of elbow, and the word is below. Then purse, a kind of small bag. And then petal, a part of a flower. So this is how we had done anagrams as well. So we had completed our chapter number 28, that is vocabulary. I hope you all understand the homophones, synonyms and antonyms, compound words, e-words and anagram words. So that's all for today, little learners. See you all in my next video with new chapter, new topic. Till then, bye. Take care, keep smiling, and thank you.